I'll be mentioning everything about this product, like which skin type can use it, how to include this product in your already existing skincare routine, and how to layer this product with other actives, and how efficient is it, does it help with acne, does it help with hyperpigmentation, everything I am going to mention in this video. So stay tuned till the end. Hi, I'm Anusha. I make videos related to beauty, lifestyle and food. If you are interested in this type of content, please consider subscribing. Also hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Today I am reviewing the Deconstruct Breakout Control Serum. Now coming to the brand, Deconstruct is a new Indian brand. They have a very limited product library, but the products are very impressive. All the products contains niacinamide, DHAs, and they have a chemical peel. But what made me interested in their brand is this Breakout Control Serum, because it is an azelaic acid based serum. I don't find much azelaic acid based products in Indian market. Actually, azelaic acid is very good. It is proven to be safe for pregnant and lactating mothers also. But it is sad that not many Indian brands are working with it. Maybe because it is one of the tough ingredients to formulate with. If you are working with azelaic acid, you have to get the formulation right. Otherwise, it will just pile up and ball up on the skin. I am very happy that finally I have found one product that has azelaic acid in it. I know that Eclat had one azelaic acid based serum, but they have included some other active ingredients in the serum. So right now I am not going for the Eclat one. This one did not have any fragrance in it, and it comes in a serum form with an azelaic acid percentage of 3.3. Which I think is I have not used azelaic acid before this, so it is very good and mild percentage to start with. So I got my hands on this serum, and let us see how my experience goes with this one. I have been using this serum from the past 2 weeks. So this is more of like a first impressions video rather than the full review. Because I noticed some difference in my acne breakouts, but still I have to see a difference in my acne scarring and the hyperpigmentation that comes along with the acne. So I'll be using this for 1 month and updating you guys on the acne scarring part. For this video, we'll stick to how it works on the acne part. Okay. First, we'll talk about the packaging. It comes in a glass bottle with a dropper on the top. I wish they have given a pump packaging so that it will be much easier for uses. It comes in this cardboard carton, which mentions all the details like how to use this and the expiration periods, pricing, everything is mentioned on the carton. Ingredients, the full ingredients list is mentioned on the carton, it is not mentioned on the bottle. Coming to the pricing, it retails for 499 rupees for 15 ml of the product, which I think is a little bit on the pricier side, because if you calculate it for 30 ml, it will come around 1000 rupees, which is like little pricier for a serum. But I got it on 25% off, so I paid around 399 for this bottle. Now coming to the consistency, the consistency is very good. Like you don't feel heaviness or oiliness after using this serum. Just you have to take 3 to 4 drops, rub it between your fingers, or you can directly apply it onto your facial skin. Then you can just pat it and massage it on the skin. It will sink beautifully into the skin within like 20 to 30 seconds. It will sink beautifully. It will leave your skin hydrated from inside. You will not feel any oily or sticky feeling on the skin. I like that part very much about this serum. So if you are from dry skin, normal skin combination, or oily, you can happily use this serum. No matter what the season is, like in summers or winters, you can happily use this. Now coming to the ingredients of the product, I am referring the carton for the ingredients. It has aqueous base of the product. Next we have glycerin. Glycerin is a good humectant. It holds water onto the skin, making it hydrated and plumper. So we have glycerin is second ingredient. Next we have, on the third we have chamomile flower extract. Chamomile is very good for soothing the irritated skin. Next we have the star ingredient of this formulation, that is potassium azelaic diglycinate.
This particular ingredient is water-soluble derivative of azelaic acid. It is derived by combining azelaic acid with amino acid glycine. It has similar skin benefits as of azelaic acid. Azelaic acid is excellent antioxidant, antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory. So this helps with regulation of excess sebum production on the skin. It helps with the existing acne, and it also prevents the future acne on forming on the skin.
So after this main ingredient we have green tea leaf extract and neem extract. So they are less than 3% in this formulation. Then they have used phenoxyethanol as the preservative. So the safe limit of phenoxyethanol is 1% in any formulation. So the ingredients that comes after phenoxyethanol are maybe equal to 1% or less than 1% in this formulation. After phenoxyethanol, we have a couple of ingredients like ethyl hexyl glycerin, xanthan gum, which is mainly used for a thickening of purpose to give body to the product, and sodium gluconate, lactococcus ferment lysate. It is a probiotic. It helps in maintaining the skin microbiome, thereby helping skin barrier function. Yeah, those are the couple of notable ingredients in this formulation. So it has very good humectants along with some acne controlling ingredients, along with a little bit of probiotics in there. So overall it is a very good formulation, and they have mentioned it is fragrance free, sulfate free and paraben free. Now coming to my experience with this product, I have been using this product from past 2 weeks, and I must say, when I have started using this on my right cheek, I have this irritation going on, like the pimples are very big, not outside the skin but inside the skin. You know, we sometimes we get this type of very irritated pimples. They will form like a bulge inside our skin, but if you look from the outside you will see very small pimple, but these pimples are very big from inside the skin and they are very painful to touch also. So I am having those type of 3 to 4 pimples on my right cheek, and then I started using this serum. Like within 2 to 3 applications, it has calmed them down to 70 to 80%. It is that effective in calming down the pimples. It worked really well. I have not used any BHA or other active except for niacinamide. Niacinamide I have been using along with this. But this is a new addition to my skincare. So I believe this is the product that has calmed that irritation down. From that point of time, I have not got those kind of irritated pimples again on my skin. Like I have been using this from the past 2 weeks, and I have not got those kind of big irritated pimples on my skin, touch wood. So I am giving that credits to this serum only. But I have not seen any reduction in my acne scarring that comes along with the pimples till now. But I'll be continuing using this product, and after 1 month I'll be updating on that part. Once what I did, I normally use it in the daytime, but once I applied it in the night time along with niacinamide, from past 2 to 3 days I am doing that. In the mornings I get up with a healthy and a little bit of glowing skin. In the mornings, if I use this along with niacinamide in my nighttime skincare routine. So that's my experience with this serum. Moving on to the directions of use, you can use it up to twice a day. You can use it in morning skincare routine or evening skincare routine. On cleansed skin, you have to take 2 to 3 drops of this product and gently pat it in. Now coming to how to include this serum in your skincare routine, I prefer using it in the mornings because of its antioxidant properties. I am not using vitamin C currently because I try to include vitamin C in my morning skincare routine, and it gave me irritation. I used the Saint Botanica one. I don't know whether it is a problem with the product or vitamin C. I have to figure it out. So I stopped using my vitamin C. I need some kind of antioxidant in my morning skincare routine. I included this. You can use this after cleansing your skin. In the serum part, you can use this. If you are using vitamin C or niacinamide, you can happily layer those products after using this product. And you can top it up with moisturizer and a sunscreen. That's how you include this in your morning skincare routine. In your night skincare routine, if you are not using any AHAs or BHAs or retinoids, you can include this in the night skincare routine. I do not advise you pairing this with the other strong potent actives like AHAs, BHAs or retinoids, because you have to be gentle with your skin. If you are using some type of strong actives, avoid all the other actives in that particular routine. So if you are not using them, you can use this on cleansed skin, follow up with a moisturizer, or if you want to include niacinamide in the same routine, you can do that. You can use niacinamide serum after using this, then follow up with moisturizer or night cream, whatever you are using. So that is all with how to include this serum in your particular routine and how to layer this particular product. Now coming to the final verdict, I completely enjoyed using this product. I'll continue using this, and I'll recommend to you if you want to include some azelaic acid based products, or if you are dealing with acne and hyperpigmentation, definitely give this product a try. Yeah, that's all. If you have any queries regarding this product, please feel free to mention in the comment section, and also hit the like button, and share it with your friends if you find this helpful, and also subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.